this town is waiting for your protection. Let's start today's patrol. Can you help me find the criminal? Do you know what the bad guy looks like? He was wearing a purple vest, black pants, and a yellow scarf around his neck. Okay, first, let's piece the bad guy's portrait together. Now find out where the bad guy is. Awesome! Thank you! You're welcome. What happened? I got separated from my dad in the park. Whoa, don't worry. Let's find your dad together. Dad, you're awesome! You're welcome. It's my duty. Officer Kiki, mission accomplished.
On the green light.
is a little dirty. Please help me wash it. Welcome to the car wash. Let's clean the car. First, drag the water sprayer to rinse off the mud. Tap the button to spray the cleaning fluid. Scrub the car clean. Now rinse off the foam. The car is Calm down, Miss Bear. What's the issue here? The parking lot is so disorganized. I can't drive my car out. Don't worry, I'll fix it. Hank, what's going on? I want to share the toys with my friends, but I can't find them. Can you help? No problem. Let's look for them together. Help Hank find them. Ah, here are the toys. Tap on them. Let's find the other toys. Amazing! We found all the toys! Thank you! Can only be lifted after completing the puzzle. No. Bunny is entangled in the vine and can't move. worry, we're going to save her now. Oh, I can't walk. Come and Officer Doberman to move the box and save Bunny. We've run into a wall. It can't be pushed. Thank you for saving me. Don't mention it. You can always come to Officer Tiki if you need help. Little Panda's town is successfully protected.